Ibadan is not just expanding, it's evolving. From the sky, you can see it clearly. Roads stretching further, neighborhoods multiplying, and a city that refuses to stay in the past. Ibadan, once known mainly for its historic culture, it's quickly becoming one of the fastest growing cities in southwestern Nigeria. Dugbe, the commercial heartbeat of the city, you can feel the energy. The markets are busy, businesses are active, and trades continue to drive the city towards forward, just like it has for generations. Moving towards Ibadan, the University of Ibadan, Africa's first university, you can see that one of the biggest and strongest foundation education. This area attracts students, researchers, and professionals from all over Nigeria, creating constant demand for housing, services, and innovation. And there is Bodija, one of the city's most developed and sought after neighborhoods, from modern estates to bustling markets. Bodija represents Ibadan's growing middle class and rising real estate value. It is a perfect example of how the city blends tradition with modern living. And here is Challenge and Ring Road. You see Ibadan's expanding infrastructure, improved roads network, and connectivity are opening up new areas for development and making movement easier for residents, businesses, and investors. Further out, places like Moniya tell an even bigger story. Once considered far outskirts, Moniya is now a growing development zone, attracting industries, logistics hubs, and new housing projects. This is where Ibadan's future is being built. One major reason Ibadan is growing this fast is space. Unlike overcrowded cities, Ibadan still has land for homes, for businesses, for schools, and industries. This gives the city room to grow without choking itself. Another reason is affordability. Compared to Lagos, Ibadan offers a low cost of living while still providing access to opportunity. That is why young professionals, families, and entrepreneurs are relocating here in large number. Ibadan is also becoming a quiet hub for entrepreneurship, from small businesses to emerging tech communities. The city's economy is diversifying, creating jobs and strengthening local income. From above, Ibadan looks like a city in motion, expanding, connecting, and preparing for the future. Ibadan is no longer just an historic city, it is a city on the rise. And that is why Ibadan is becoming the fastest growing city in southwestern Nigeria.